Hey, Sam here. Let's talk about TVBoss Fire Ignite. Just a few seconds to check my huge list of high-quality bonuses included in this offer. TVBoss Fire Ignite is the latest and improved version of TVBoss Fire, designed for Roku upcoming channel cleanup. Roku is getting rid of almost half of its channels that are not using the updated SDK approach. The new super fast way to create channels is ready to replace those old ones. Plus, with the AI technology, making content is now super easy. Step number 1. Create a channel. Enter a name, description, and upload the channel icon. Customize settings. The provider name, the language, the contact email address. You can enter your affiliate link to promote TVBoss yourself or disable this option. You can embed your channel into your website and you can watch and publish. Step number 2. Add videos. You can add up to 10 items per page. Adding videos is really easy, and you can also use other people's videos. You can find tutorials inside. Step number 3. Publish. Get your links and add them into your Amazon and Roku profiles. Your TV channel is ready. Prices and OTOs included in this offer.
Hello and welcome to the TVBoss Fire overview video. This is where it all begins, okay? And it's a very simple page. Once you log in, you will land on this. Every time you create a channel in this grey bar down here, or whitey grey bar, your channels will populate. With every time your channel pops up, you can choose anything from you viewing it, to edit it, to switch it over to another account on TVBoss, or even share on social media to get more eyeballs to it, okay? Now moving on from there, if you want to add a channel, just literally click the right icon here, create a channel, and you basically enter some simple details to begin. The name, the description, the channel icon which you upload here, and that is the first step to creating your channel. Number 2 is the settings once you've saved that. The provider name, the language, your contact email, your affiliate URL, because we also have about, watch and store pages, which means anyone who watches this from kind of coming from external traffic like Google, say they search your channel or they search for content that is on your channel and find it, if they're wondering how you've actually made this channel, you can actually get affiliates from that, or you can turn them off. You can also embed them, as it says here, but you have to save the channel first, into a website of your choice, as long as it supports HTML, and then you watch and publish. It's simple as that for this step. Now, moving on, we have videos here also, so you can add 10 items per page, as it says, and it says click below to add your first video details. So basically this is all it takes, and you basically just click the plus and then go from there. We prompt you with everything, like I say. If you see here, you see these tooltips, they all have little tooltips which show you everything that's needed. As you can see, it says 114 by 114 channel logo, PNG image in your Fire TV channel, not used by Roku. So there's different elements in here that tells you exactly what you need. Like it says here, maximum 200 characters. This channel name is to be displayed in your Fire TV channel, not used by Roku. So this is your channel here and not in Roku. Everything leads you through it. It's very simple, but we have training as well, so it's not as if it's something difficult to do. Moving on, we have the tutorials, which we have the knowledge base, essentials on using your TVBoss Fire, which is the main training, and then we have some bonuses if you're eligible for it, and bootcamps and webinars here. If you're an agency license holder, then you can create and manage users here who will actually get access to TVBoss. But the beautiful thing of it is you can brand this with white label if you have the license as well. We also have the bonuses that you're eligible for here, and then also downloads, which is Mac, Linux, Windows, and Android and iOS are coming soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick overview, but it's seriously easy to create and manage TV channels with all the training that you ever need. First, you must fill in your TVBoss Fire login, email and password. After that, click Submit. You will see a list of your channels in your account now. And you can import one or all the channels as needed. In this case, let's import Todd's channel. Now that the channel was imported, you can click on any of My Channels tab and you will see that the channel was imported. And you'll see a couple of options. In the Edit Link section, you can add your channel store links from the Amazon Channel Store and Roku Channel Store too. The Sync button we recommend using if you update your channel and notice that the channel content on your web page is not updated. And of course, you have the option to delete the channel. Now let's take the embed code and make a new post. Just add a title, add the shortcode and publish. Let's see how it looks. You can see we have a channel icon, channel description, the channel title, the first video and the slider with all the content. We also added a share button to make it easier for your viewers to share your page. The shortcode works with the same pages. Add a new page. Add the title. Add the embed code, then publish. The design will be slightly different because it adapts to your page's size. Here are a couple things to keep in mind. Now the plugin is tested and built using the latest WordPress security and coding requirements, so ensure that you always run the latest available WordPress version. Let's get back into the settings. And as I said previously, you can add your channel store links from the Amazon Channel Store and Roku Channel Store in the Edit Link section. I'll use Google for now. As you can see here, we don't have any buttons below the content, but if we save this setting and refresh the page, you'll see the Amazon and the Roku buttons. When a user clicks on them, it will lead them to your Roku store link or your Amazon store link so they can install the channels themselves. In the channel settings section, we have a couple more settings that will help you customize and adapt the design of the embedded channel to fit your page color and your branding. The first is the image style. By default, it's a round image, as you can see, but you can make it full width or half width depending on how we need it to see and save the pictures changed. This doesn't look so good, so let's move back to round because I like it better so it looks nice. We also have the option to change the color and the font. Let's say for the description I make it blue, so it's evident that it's changed. The date style, let's make it black so we can see the difference. Save. Refresh the page and as you can see the channel title is red, the description is blue and the date changes colour to black. Now if you don't want to show all these elements, you can select not to deliver them. And remember that if you want to add another channel, you must repeat the same process. And you must fill in your email and password and import your channel.